Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best toddler coloring kit is probably one of the most essential tools for fostering creativity and fine motor skills in young children, offering a delightful gateway into the vibrant world of art and self-expression. This kit is designed to captivate little minds with a variety of engaging activities, ensuring hours of educational fun while helping them develop crucial developmental milestones. It's more than just a toy, it's an investment in your child's cognitive and artistic growth, providing a safe and stimulating environment for them to explore their imagination and bring their colorful ideas to life. Number 5. Crayola Baby Shark Color Wonder Pages. Dive into a world of mess-free coloring with this exciting set. It brings your favorite baby shark characters to life without any worries about stains. This set includes 18 special coloring pages featuring the beloved baby shark crew. You'll also find 5 color wonder markers to get you started right away. Experience the magic of color wonder. The colors only appear on the special paper, meaning no marks on skin, clothes, or furniture. It's coloring made easy and clean. Keep everything organized and ready for adventure with the convenient folder-style packaging. It doubles as storage, making it ideal for travel and keeping things tidy. These markers work with all color wonder paints, markers, and stamps, opening up endless creative possibilities. Collect them all to enhance your artistic adventures. Looking for the perfect gift? This is a fantastic choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a wonderful present for toddlers and fans of Baby Shark aged 3 and up. Color in all your favorite characters from Baby Shark's big show. You can bring Brooklyn Baby Shark, William, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, and many more to life with your own colors. What we like? This coloring kit offers a truly mess-free experience with special paper that only allows ink to appear on it. If you have a toddler who loves Baby Shark and you're looking for a way to keep them entertained without the worry of stains on furniture or clothes, this is the perfect choice. It's also designed for easy portability, making it ideal for car rides or restaurant visits. What people say. The kit includes a variety of coloring tools like crayons, markers, and colored pencils, offering different creative options. The coloring pages feature large, simple designs that are easy for toddlers to color within the lines. The carrying case is sturdy and keeps all the supplies organized, making it convenient for travel or storage. Number 4. Crayola Color Wonder Mess-Free Coloring Activity Set. Introducing the Crayola Color Wonder Activity Set, designed for endless creative fun. It's packed with everything your child needs for hours of artistic exploration. This comprehensive kit includes blank coloring pages, sticker sheets, stamps, and markers. It even comes with a handy carrying case to keep everything organized. Experience the magic of color wonder where the ink only appears on special paper. Say goodbye to stains on skin, clothes, or furniture. Perfect for travel or home, the convenient carrying case makes it easy to take creativity on the go. Keep them entertained during road trips or quiet afternoons. Make any occasion special with this delightful art kit. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because, bringing colorful joy to children aged 3 and up. Designed with safety in mind, this set is non-toxic and perfect for children aged 3 and older. Let their imaginations soar with confidence. What we like? This set provides a complete mess-free coloring experience with the added fun of stickers and stamps, all neatly organized in a carrying case. If you're looking for an all-in-one activity that can keep your child engaged for hours, whether at home or on the go, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who enjoy a variety of creative tools in one convenient package. What people say. The coloring kit includes a variety of crayons, markers, and colored pencils, offering a wide range of creative options for toddlers. The pages are pre-drawn with simple, engaging images that are easy for young children to color within the lines. The kit comes with a sturdy carrying case, making it convenient for travel and storage of all the art supplies. Number 3. Honeysticks Pure Beeswax Crayons, 12-pack. Handmade in New Zealand with natural beeswax and food-grade colors. Made without petroleum-based paraffin wax or fillers, you'll notice the difference immediately. Enjoy the natural scent of pure beeswax without any chemical smell. Their unique chubby shape is easy for small hands to hold and hard to break. Tested in preschools, these toddler art supplies are loved by kids for their durability and pleasant smell. From bold reds to sunny yellows, these crayons bring color to every idea. They are smooth and easy to use, making drawing and coloring fun for little artists. Created from a natural byproduct of honey production, this process has minimal environmental impact. They offer a wonderful beeswax scent and are proudly plastic-free. Our mission is to create safe, sustainable products that spark your child's creativity in their important early years. Explore our full range today. What we like. Crafted from pure beeswax and natural ingredients, these crayons are designed with safety and sustainability in mind, making them perfect for even the youngest artists. If you are a parent who prioritizes non-toxic, eco-friendly art supplies for your toddler, especially those just starting to explore coloring, these are an outstanding choice. Their unique chubby shape is ideal for little hands to grip and are incredibly durable. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the paper is thick enough to prevent bleed-through. My toddler loves the variety of coloring pages, from animals to vehicles. The kit comes with washable markers, which makes cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Crayola Pip-Squeaks Washable Marker Set, 65 CT. Introducing the Crayola Pip-Squeaks Washable Marker Set, a vibrant collection designed for young artists. This set is packed with everything they need to bring their imagination to life. Inside this durable art case, you'll find 25 colorful markers and 40 sheets of quality paper. It's the perfect all-in-one kit for any creative project they dream up. These mini markers are perfectly sized for little hands, making them comfortable and easy to grip. This allows for a more enjoyable drawing experience for younger children. Don't worry about messes. These markers are washable from both skin and most clothing. Enjoy stress-free creative sessions with easy cleanup for parents and teachers alike. It's an essential for Easter baskets and a fantastic spring craft gift. Add a splash of Crayola fun to any celebration, making it a great present all year round. These art supplies are a must-have for classrooms, from kindergarten to preschool. The compact case also makes them perfect for on-the-go fun, ensuring entertainment wherever they go. Designed with safety in mind, these markers are non-toxic and suitable for children ages 4 and up. Let them explore their artistic side with confidence and peace of mind. What we like. This set features mini washable markers that are easy for little hands to hold and clean up effortlessly from skin and clothing. If you're a parent who dreads the mess associated with art supplies, this is a fantastic solution for stress-free creative play. It's also a great travel companion, keeping your child entertained on the go. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the paper is thick enough to prevent bleed-through. My toddler loves the variety of coloring pages, from animals to vehicles. The kit comes with washable markers, which is a lifesaver for parents. Number 1. Crayola Ultimate Art Case with Easel. Introducing the Crayola Ultimate Art Case, your child's portable studio. It's packed with everything they need for hours of artistic exploration, wherever they go. This comprehensive set includes 85 art tools, from markers and crayons to colored pencils and watercolors. It provides a wide variety of options for any masterpiece. Discover this special collection, available only on Amazon. Get it while supplies last for a unique gift that sparks imagination. The art case cleverly converts into a tabletop easel. Simply use the included markers to set up a perfect painting or drawing station. Keep all their art supplies neatly organized and easily accessible. This means they'll always be prepared for spontaneous creative sessions or school projects. Looking for a gift that guarantees smiles? This art set is ideal for birthdays or holidays, offering endless hours of imaginative fun for kids aged 4 and up. Designed with safety in mind, all the included art supplies are non-toxic. It's perfect for children aged 4 and older, ensuring worry-free creative play. What we like. This comprehensive art case is an Amazon exclusive, packed with 85 coloring tools and even converts into a tabletop easel for an enhanced creative experience. If you're searching for a gift that offers a vast array of art supplies for a child who loves to draw, color, and paint, this is an exceptional choice. It's perfect for keeping everything organized and ready for any artistic adventure. What people say. The coloring kit is a great way to keep toddlers entertained and engaged. The kit includes a variety of coloring tools, such as crayons, markers, and colored pencils, which offer different creative options. The pages are thick and durable, preventing bleed-through from markers and crayons. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.